Okay, P Street Garage, and I'm back out on my Mercury Comet. Um, this time I'm going to swap out that old shifter. This is my old shifter that was broken, and the little tab on the top had broken, and the hole down here was too big for the pin. So I've got this other shifter here. It's got a boot. It's got a proper arm. This is attempt number 3. This is my third junk floor shifter. I want to try to get this in so I can get this car shifting properly, and then I can reinstall my seats and get on with this project. All right, I've got this one tentatively in place. I've cut the hole a little bit bigger on my tunnel. So I'm going to see if I can drill and fasten this one and see if I'm able to join the two rods down below. All right. Okay, I got this shifter figured out. This was the best of my 3 shifters. Just going to fasten this boot down a little bit. A little bit of armor all, that's going to look like brand new. But anyway, this does shift. Park, reverse. Cars in reverse. Neutral. Drive. All right. Let's get these seats back in here. I'll get them out of my basement anyway, as promised. Armor all, good stuff. Yeah. Hide the cracks. Brand new. Okay, well, a few videos ago, you saw me struggling as I reupholstered these seats. I had also done another video on how I fixed all these plastics and painted them. So here are the seats all assembled. They look pretty good. Not bad for a first try. It's a nice day out. Let's get these loaded up in the truck, and then we'll take them over and let's get them in the Comet and see what this finally looks like. Okay, well, here we are over at the house. I got the seats over. I just wiped them down. They're looking okay. And I seriously need a bigger workspace here, but anyway, for now, this is all I have. I am kind of working on that. I just vacuumed the interior. I got everything vacuumed. Threw a little bit of Armor All on there on the trim and that to make it look a little shiny. Even wiped down the back seat. And if you watched my videos from way before, this is an original seat out of the 62 that I painted with fabric and fabric paint, and held up quite good. This is almost 2 years old, and still looks really good. The little imperfections that you see there, those were there before. Center console also used to be red, painted that. Homemade door cards, marine grade vinyl over Coroplast, very simple. The deluxe armrests, they were red. They've been painted. Same as the kick plates down there. They were bright red. They've been painted. I finally got that new shifter in. So it has a nice locking button. So I can actually put the car in park and it stays locked. It shifts fairly well now. And there's a boot to hide the ugliness of the hole and everything. So let's bring these seats. Let's get these seats bolted in. Can't wait to see what this looks like. I'm getting closer here. Okay, here are the seats installed, and very happy with this. Very happy with this transformation. Yep. Brand new seat skins. Seat from 1962. They all match. They look good. The plastics were all painted. They held up good. That's so clean, I don't even want to sit in it. That's kind of good. I will sit in it. Just another thing. This is going to be, I guess I'll call this a seat video. Way back, I had ordered some seat belts. And in my hoard of junk, I have a couple of seat belts here. Yeah, from Eckler's. I ordered these way back. And the car is fitted with little pad eyes in the floor. I don't know if those are original or not, but I'm going to see if I can, if these would be designed to bolt straight to the floor. But where I got those pad eyes, maybe I'll just attach these to the pad eyes. They are for seat belts. Whether they're factory or not, I don't know. Let's open these up, take a look, and throw the belts in. Okay. So these are the belts. They're just simple lap belts. The buckle almost kind of looks like a GM buckle, but I don't know. Came from Eckler's. It's for I guess it's for a Falcon, Comet, what's the other one? The Ranchero, whatever. All kind of the same car. All right, let's get these in. Nice. Came with a little bit of hardware. Hopefully my pad eyes are... Oh, these are... Oh, shoot. Yeah, these are some big bolts. I don't know if... Okay, so it's just basically one nut and bolt per each side. Let's see if these will fit through the pad eyes. They might not. It might not. And I really don't want to drill new holes in the floor, so... Maybe I won't be able to use these. Maybe. Let's give it a try. And just like that, I've got seat belts. I simply, like I was babbling about, I mounted the hardware to the existing pad eyes. Literally took 2 minutes. So there's our seat belts. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna call this for now. Still got a lot of work to do. Got an exhaust to put on this car, and I got to do the emergency brake cable, and yeah, we'll be ready for a spin. Okay, thanks for watching.